welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see what is binary OR operator. So let's start. So binary OR operator is a bitwise operator that works on individual bits of two numbers. So the binary OR operator is a bitwise operator and it works on individual bits of two numbers. Okay, the symbol for the binary OR operator is this. It compares each corresponding pair of bits from two numbers and returns 1 if at least one of the bits is 1, and otherwise it will return 0. So basically there are two bits. If one of the bit is 1, then the output that we will get is 1. Otherwise we will get 0. So let's see some rules for binary OR operator. So I've created a rules for the binary OR operator. So here if first bit is 0 or second bit is 0, then the output that we will get is 0 only. If first bit is 0 or second bit is 1, then the output that we will get is 1. If first bit is 1 or second bit is 0, then the output that we will get is 1. If first bit is 1 or second bit is also 1, then the output that we will get is 1. From this we have understand that if any of the bit is 1, then the output that we will get is 1. Otherwise we will get 0. So let's see one example. So we have to OR 5 or 3. We have to OR 5 and 3. Then for 5 the binary representation is 1 0 1, and for 3 the binary representation is 0 1 1. 1 0 1 and 0 1 1, and we have to do OR. So 1 or 1, the output is 1. 0 or 1, the output is 1. Then 1 or 0, the output is 1. So this 1 1 1 represents in decimal format as 7. So if we OR 5 and 3, the output that we will get is 7. So let's say demonstration. I've created a class called demo, and in that I've created a main function. Now let's print directly 5 or 3. So I've printed directly 5 or 3. Now let's see what will be the output. I will run the code. As you can see, the output that I have get is 7, as we have discussed in this theory session. So thank you for watching this video.